Sheraton.
So Kashmir, tell me, how has it been for the last few days here?
It's been absolutely phenomenal. I don't know what to say. I'm amazed. I mean, God, it's totally different. Like coming from home to coming to an event like this. Power of networking, the people that I've met, and the experiences that I've had, and the training that I've received. So we're gonna go out there now. This is the saloon area. Okay, so this is the Sheraton. Obviously, as you know, the Fort Ventura Sheraton Golf Beach and Spa Resort. This is the beautiful lobby area, the dancers area. It's like you've got like a focal point of palm trees that goes really high up, where you've got like a dome-shaped fenestration of windows here, which is like phenomenal. It's very spectacular. You see, it's going to be very grand. So it's evening time here. It's about 8:45 on the Monday, 15th of June. So as you can see, it's an absolute tropical oasis here. I mean, this is just the lobby area, never mind the rest of the hotel, which is just spectacular.
So Kashmir, in an English accent, why don't you tell me one really important thing? How has it been actually having mingling with people here? How's it been mingling with people here?
Well,
What kind of people have you met at this Mastermind event?
So the type of connections are made, you will not make these type of connections back home, because this is like a hub of like-minded, ambitious entrepreneurs. They are all hungry, they're all passionate, they're all fired up, and we're going to take our business to the next level. We want to take our life to the next level. We all share the same values, the same goals, the same interests, the same visions. You know, so we have so much in common, and you can have such intriguing and exciting and really inspirational conversations with people as well.
So you're making a video vlog. You're making a vlog at the moment. Where are you going to be posting this on?
So I'm going to be posting this vlog on YouTube. Okay, so you'll be able to check out my YouTube channel.
Do you think that these seminars have they been? I don't know if anyone's been to Amway type seminars, but has it been one of these seminars where you're like clapping and you're singing and you're dancing and you're like, it's like a rah-rah session? Is it one of those type of events?
Look, you know what? I'm going to be honest with you. It's not one of those type of events. If you're looking for short-term motivation, then this isn't the place you want to go to. This is for serious entrepreneurs that seriously want to take action and want to take their life to the next level and actually make a change for their life. I mean, there's one thing going to motivation opportunity to come to a resort like this if it wasn't for me that was a Mode member, because this was an all expenses paid trip. So my sister, who's my guest, who's not even in Mode, is thoroughly benefiting from this incredible experience. I mean, it's like a once in a lifetime experience that she's never been able to experience before, but because of Mode and thanks to Mode, she's been able to experience this 5-star luxury opulence and the huge information and benefit that we've gained from our training.
So, Kashmir, do you want to sign out now and then we can update our viewers with further vlogs?
Definitely. We're going to sign out now. My intention is to do a couple of vlogs throughout my trip, and I'm going to keep you posted, I'm going to keep you updated, I'm going to keep you engaged, but stay tuned for now, and I'll see you later.